Hello everyone, Mike here from TGW, where I oversee our lifetime services department. Handing over a system is not as easy as it seems. Building the infrastructure of a team is not just one part. Health and safety requirements, processes, building the engineering team, tooling, workshop, maintenance planning, CMMS configuration, training, data dashboard building, and spare parts and inventory. While all this is going on, we work hand in hand to learn and build on from the realisation team, supporting the system and the customer to hit operational requirements as soon as possible. As the team learns and grows, realisation slowly leave the building, and we are ready to support the customer as a team, working heavily in collaboration to ensure all needs and requirements are continued to be met. Alongside this comes all the technical support supplied by our technical support team in our remote services department, who also take handover of software and control support. This is one huge effort, regardless of size or location of the system, and the goal to provide continuous support for the customer and bring longevity to the investment the customer has made. Minimise unplanned activities and maximise the system usage, working hand in hand with our customer operations team. They are also learning the system too. In our blog, you can read more about this, including a few other topics. Remember, going live is an ongoing refinement and optimisation process with multiple levels of continuous improvement and learning circles with great teamwork and teams. Long-term success is built, not bought.